Hey, this is Mark with Ruff Tuff. We're out here in northern Colorado. We're covering some trucks for Comanche Wilderness. We actually got 5 different trucks that we're doing for them. This is a bigger install for us. We usually don't do 5 trucks at a time. These guys are so nice, and it's fun to be able to get out and see the scenery and get a little change of view.
A lot of these trucks are going to pull horse trailers up to our wilderness trailheads, and also, carry clients up to the wilderness trailheads. Seat covers are very important to us. I mean, you can imagine you're getting in and out, all the dirt and mud we deal with. So yeah, you got to have good seat covers, or you just hammer your truck, and you want to keep your truck pretty nice for your clients.
Our seat covers are used by so many people, and so many people get to see them and enjoy them and get to know our product and get to know our people.
I got in touch with Ruff Tuff through Worldwide Trophy Adventures.
Scott and Wendy Limmer run about 250 clients through a year. That's a lot of wear and tear on a vehicle. We brought Ruff Tuff in here to help outfit these vehicles with a quality product that we know will last and hold up for the needs.
It's a great way to build relationships and great friends.
This is our first time working with Ruff Tuff. Mark and everybody, Davina, I mean, just really good to work with, and I highly recommend them.
Not only do they make a great product, but they're also great people. After 16 years, it's no wonder that we're still partners in business and also partners personally as well.
We don't get to get out of the office that much and do special projects like this, so whenever we have the chance to mingle with the hunting community and get out and see some of the scenery, we hop on those chances to come out and get away from the office.